ain't post, man. These last week, man. This past weekend, I lost my mom Friday night, so I wasn't able to post nothing. But yeah, man, lost my mom Friday night, so it's been kind of hard. But I know I still got. I know she still want me to keep working hard and keep moving forward. So as I promised y'all, I'm gonna keep bringing out a video. But I'm finna go take the Mustang to get an estimate, you know, and see what's going on first. Before I meet with the insurance, adjusting all that, because I want to see how much the damage is gonna be worth to repair. So I'm gonna be going to the dealership and then to a body shop to see what they'll quote me out at, and then we're gonna get that taken care of. So that's the little business we got to handle today. We're gonna handle that. Well, right now I'm going to pick up my brother so he can trail behind me in the Mustang in case the damn wheel come off. But I got it tight now to the point where it ain't gonna come straight off, but I want to be on the safe side. So that's what we about to go. We're about to go handle. Man, one thing about Atlanta traffic, boy, it gonna be some traffic. Shit, no matter what time it is. You would think everybody off the road by now, but shit ain't me. Shoot, people still here. Yeah, so I finally scooped up my little nigga right here. My little brother.
I mean the cake.
What, nigga?
I mean the cake.
Yeah, so we finna go finish. Like I said earlier, we about to go handle this. Get the Mustang looked at, you know, to get a quote on it. To see how much the damage worth, man. So I'll let y'all know when we get to the Mustang. All right, we made it to the Mustang now. Damn, it's dirty. The car ain't been driven since it happened. I'm finna go and get y'all a start up. Well, y'all already know how that side look. Y'all will start up. Damn, boy, I got so much grass and shit in here. Gassing up both the whips. Yeah, my top wobbling so bad, man. Yeah. Turn it off. See how it merges over? See, I ain't gonna lie, boy, the Mustang drives so rugged and sluggish and ugh, man. My shit tore up on the front passenger side, the wheelbase. There's something with the suspension, man, cause something ain't right. Something ain't right. Like I said, it's bad, boy. Yeah. Came to the body shop. Damn. Shit. God. Dang, ugly, man. I even fucked my little spike strip up. Damn. It was wobbling bad. Yeah, nah, I kept it at 40. Kept it right between 40 and 50. On the top of it, just dirty. Yeah, I came to my boy Auto Body Shop. It's American Auto Body. Y'all see that number up there? 404-610-4091. I put it down there in the bottom. All insurance claims welcome. Yep. Yeah, this is my guy right here. And he do amazing work. Yeah, he do amazing work. Yeah. Silver.
They silver. I can get the list price on it?
List price is $218.73.
$218.73. Alrighty. 4 or 5 days out. Alrighty then. Thank you so much, sir. All right. Okay. So the room is full, so $37.46 for two.
Cool.
Let me go ahead and put this one.
Okay, perfect.
This one is $33.76.
All right. Yeah, cause once I get the check from insurance, I'm coming to you.
Yeah, make sure you take a picture. Don't submit this estimate to them yet. Let's see what they got first.
Okay.
Yeah, let's see. Just match up their numbers.
Okay.
What they got first and their estimate.
Okay. Now I'm about to go get it looked at mechanically and see what's going on.
Yeah, get that estimate too.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, I just saw it. It didn't even save the video at all when I was at the mechanic shop. Camera, I don't know what went wrong. SD card not full. I don't know what happened. It didn't save. I know I was recording, that's for sure. Cause you get the little red little dot. But so I did figure out what was going on with it mechanically. Need a hub bearing. Definitely need some new wheels. Gotta get an alignment. It's the tie rod ends that's kind of messed up a little bit. And he said it was something else. I can't remember what it was. Can't remember off the top. I can't remember what it was. Can't remember off the top. But yeah, so that's what that was. But in all, if I was taking it to a shop, the shop would do all that for $878. So that's what I was quoted. But you already know me and my pops, we gonna do that ourselves. I just need to check. And yeah, that's what happened, man. It didn't even record. But I still got some more content on here that I didn't post on the last video that I recorded the same day of the accident, when the lady who loved the exhaust, she was telling me that she saw one time in her lifetime that a Mustang beat a Lamborghini. And I love my Mustangs, I'm not gonna lie. But whipping a Lamborghini, I don't know, she kind of lost me on that one. Maybe she don't know the difference between a V8 and a V12 or whatever. So, but I'm gonna insert them clips in here so you can see what's going on. This literally after work, going to my second job, but closer to my second job when the accident happened, if that makes sense to y'all. But I'm gonna just insert the clip right here so you'll see what I'm talking about. But she did like the exhaust. Like, she followed me damn near 3 miles to the where accident happened at. So I'm gonna insert the clip so y'all can see right about now. I couldn't hear you. Thank you. I was trying not to be loud in your ear. Thank you. Eventually. Not yet, but other cars. Yeah, now on the expressway, I let it rip. They can do something. When you fix them up, they can do something. Yep. You like cars? Yeah. It keep me out of trouble. What you gonna do to it? As long as you're keeping the oil change and the spark plugs, you'll be okay. Oh, you do DoorDash. Just be careful out here. Yeah, be careful, all right? Yep, very. Yeah. And you're a lady too, so yeah, be careful. All right, I'll see you later. Well, she like the sound of the car. This is an old lady, like she about to her. Yeah, like she about to her fitness. She like it though, so yeah, it is.